For this video, let's click here, get Firefox extension. Okay, this is the first step. Your second step is to add to, we want to add this to Firefox. So I'm going to click that. Click add. You notice the Fox icon came up here. That's what it's going to show at permanently. So, allow the extension to run in private windows. Yes, you can. Hit OK, got it. Okay, your next step, guys, is click here. We're clicking on the box here. See, I click the Fox. See what happens? Yes, you need to get started. So after you click that Fox, click get started. What you need to do is create a wallet. This is your next step. So click create a wallet. Yes, I agree. What you're going to do, you're going to create a password here. So whatever password you choose, guys, keep this in mind. Whatever password you choose here, you have to log in with this password that you choose in order to access your Metamask account. So please save that and remember that. After you put your password in, click create. Okay, guys, for this video tutorial, these are C words. Now make sure you do it in order from left to right. I'm not going to share my screen on that, but I'm going to go through this process, and I got to put whatever order they give it to me in, I have to click each one in the order. So that's how you go to the next step. So I'm gonna pause this video and do that, and make sure you go from whatever's first, second, third, fourth. Make sure you click it in that order when you have to, when you have to put it back in, so it can confirm correctly. So I'm gonna pause this video for that. And guys, as you click each one in order, you have to click each one in order, and once you confirm it, you should get congratulations, you're all done. So that should be your final step with that. Basically, make sure you click each one in the order that you saw it in, and you should be good. So I'm gonna click all done. Then your wallet should open just like this. This is your receiving wallet, guys. So when you send in deposit, you can deposit Ethereum here to get started. You need prompts of 0.03 to get started with this program with million.money. So make sure to be safe, send about 0.04 Ethereum, and you should be good. So when you send it, it'll cover the fees and everything. So that's what we do as members. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to deposit Ethereum into this address. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click this button. I'm going to hit copy. Then I'm going to go to my Exodus wallet and send Ethereum here. I'm going to pause this video real quick as I open that. I'm in my Ethereum wallet right now. I'm about to paste the address that I just copied from Metamask. I'm going to put in 0.04 like I told you all. That's about $5 USD. I'm going to hit send. Yes, I'm going to send to my Metamask address. Get started. Okay, success. Now I'm going to close this out. Okay, now I'm going to wait for it to clear here Metamask. And I got two options. I can refresh the page. See, did it come in yet? Which I hit. Yeah, it may take a little time for it to clear. So I'm going to pause the video until it clears. And guys, as you can see, this Ethereum came in within 1 minute. So that's how fast these transactions is. Can you imagine receiving Ethereum this fast? They got low fees, 2 cents. And I've seen people with fees less than $1. It's awesome. It's awesome.